Hey loves, if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. Loves, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I am trying out for the very first time the 3D French tip design. You guys, if you're not into filing, don't try this method. Don't try this design because you have to file and file. And I am going to be trying it out with my polygel and some gel polishes. I think it's very easy, but you guys could definitely use whatever you guys have at hand. You could do it with acrylics, you could do it with just gel, but I decided to give this a go with polygel and gel polishes because I thought it was easy. In my mind, I thought it was easy, but it wasn't. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys do, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye.
Seven.